Hi, today I come up with a new topic, interesting topic, advanced Palo Alto networks, app ID, deep dive, override, custom app ID, decryption flows. Agenda, app ID identification engine recap, app override, design and risks, custom app ID creation, workflow, decryption flows and app ID accuracy, operational best practices and troubleshooting. App ID engine deep dive. Layer 7 inspection independent of port. Protocol decoding and application signature. Behavioral heuristics. Continuous reclassifications during session's lifetime. This is the interesting topic in today's session. App ID identification logic. Known app ID signatures matched first. Protocol decoding provides context. Heuristics applied when signatures insufficient. Fall back to unknown TCP, unknown UDP. App override overview manually maps traffic to an app ID, bypasses Palo Alto app ID detection, used for non-standard or legacy applications, configured under policies, app override. When to use app override? Applications cannot be identified correctly, known protocol on fixed port, temporarily workaround during migration, never for internet facing dynamic apps. Risk of app override disables threat prevention visibility, bypasses protocol compliance checks, increases attack surface, strong change management required. Custom app ID overview. User defined application signatures, preserves app ID, inspection pipeline, recommended over app override, supports TCP, UDP, and SCTP. Custom app ID components, signature patterns, context, header, payload, default ports, optional, application characteristics, timeouts, and dependencies. Custom app ID creation workflows. Capture the traffic and identify unique patterns. Create custom signatures. Associate with custom app ID. Test in monitoring policy. Move to enforcement. Verification and troubleshooting. ACC application visibility, traffic and session logs. Test policy with deny logs. Packet capture validations. Decryption overview. Critical for accurate app ID. Enable full layer 7 inspection. Supports SSL forward proxy. Supports SSL inbound inspection. SSL forward proxy flow. Client, firewall, server. Client initiates the traffic to the firewall. From the firewall, it connects to the server. Firewall acts as a trusted MITM. Requires enterprise CA distributions. Enables threat prevention and app ID. SSL inbound inspection flow protects publicly hosted servers. Firewall uses servers private key. Inspects inbound encrypted sessions common for data center deployments. Decryption impact on app ID. Identified evasive SaaS applications. Detects subfunctions. Example, file upload. Improves URL and threat detection. Required for zero trust strategy. Advanced best practices. Prefer. Prefer custom app ID over app override. Limit app override scope strictly. Enable decryption incrementally. Review continuously. Review unknown app traffic. Summary. App ID is adaptive and dynamic. Custom app ID it preserves security value. App override is last resort. Decryption maximize app ID effectiveness. This is the last slide for today's interesting topic. Thank you.